this what it feels like to be quarantined? I'm in heaven. Y'all. Shalom. Y'all alright? Y'all alright? Alright. It's in the morning time, y'all. And I am chilling. I got my feet in the pool. Oh, I'm chilling. But I'm about to show y'all how to make this right now. So y'all, hang on tight. When I tell you that this coffee is good, it's good. It's real good. Yes. So y'all gotta make this recipe and tell me how it is. Because this has been on so many social medias and the news. I had to make it. I had to. It was just coffee. Starbucks. Move out the way. So, other than that, y'all get to that video and I'll see you. So the first thing we're going to start off is our instant coffee. You can use any instant coffee that you want. So I'm going to be using some Folgers coffee, and like I already put the ingredients prior to the clips that actually started. So here goes my instant coffee right here. I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar in. Okay, so right here I am adding my water, and guess what? That's it for this ingredient. All you have to do is blend this into a smooth consistency. Now, I also want to add on a very strong suggestion to get a blender, such as like a KitchenAid or a regular blender, or to get a handheld blender because it will take a little more time than the handheld blender or just a blender. So what you're going to do is you're going to blend this until you can see that soft, delicate, and smooth consistency. And trust me, I was amazed when this changed right before my eyes. Now this coffee is going to take certain stages. You're going to start to see like a darker coat come in, and then from there you're going to actually see a lighter coat of the cream kind of fluffing up, and it's amazing. I was taken back because it's just so unique and pretty awesome to watch. So when you start to see this caramel kind of color come in, go ahead and stop your blender because you're done. And all you have to do now is just enjoy this. But actually what I'm going to do is I decided to put it in. I'm going to give you a quick close-up, by the way. But I actually wanted to put it in one of those little piping bags, but I didn't have any and couldn't find any in the store. So, hey, you gotta improvise. So what I decided to do is I decided to get a Ziploc bag, And I wanted to put this in the Ziploc bag so I can kind of get the same thing as far as a pipe bag in a degree. It kind of worked out. I think it did. So, and then I also want to show you how creamy this is. Do you guys see that cream? That is like extremely creamy. My God. Look at that. Do you see that? Oh, no, I don't think you guys see it. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this up and I'm going to take you guys over to the light so you guys can see how pretty and creamy this coffee is. And it's just, oh, so divine. So actually, I went ahead and I heated up some milk. You can try this with cold milk, but I decided to fluff up my milk and put a little bit in there. Drizzle, drizzle. All right. So on that note, you guys, I will see you as I'm tasting this. All right, with that, y'all stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit, and I will see you in the next video. Bottoms up.